Yummy. So delicious. Look at it. So yummy. So yummy. Doll can also eat it. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Eat. It's so yummy. Do you want to taste it? I can share it with my friends. And my friends will come at home. And then I love you. And I describe you so much. Today we are going to make chocolate sandwich. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make chocolate sandwich. Yummy! Let's start the recipe. We are making recipe. We are making chocolate Java sandwich. It will be so yummy and fun and so delicious, babies. Join me. Love it. For this, we need some slices. So pretty cool. I can eat that one. Some chocolates, some milk, and some Oreo, and some butter, and chocolate, and milk, and bread, and Oreo. We make with Oreo too. Let's start the recipe. First we need bread, and then we need to put chocolate on it. This chocolate. I can eat that. That is so yummy. I can put it then. Look at this. I can put it like this. I tell you how. Like this. Put it like this. Then like this. And like this. Look at it. So yummy. This is so tasty. I like it. We need to dip in the milk and then put it in the slices. Take the brush, dip it in the milk. We need brush. We want to dip in the milk, and then we want to dip it. We want to put side of this bread. We put side of the bread. Look at this. We put side of this bread, not chocolate on it. No, 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 no. We need to put slice over here and also press it like this. Press the edges like this. Press and 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 like this. I'm going to do like this. And then I see I try and I'm going to try this. Look at this. This is so yummy. I can put this. What is this? And now I can eat this and taste it. Look at this. So yummy. I'm not going to do it. Look at this. So yummy. She's so yummy. Look at this. My doll likes it. Look at this. Yum, 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 yum. Me too. We need milk soap. Look at this. Look at this excitement. Look. Hey you. Okay. Now we put the slices on it. Look at this. You press it. Press and press and press and press. Press. Now we need to help our mommy. We'll toast it. Now we toast her sandwich. Okay. Take it the pan and put it over here. Take a butter and put it over there. Oh. Coming. We put sandwich in the pan. I will do it, then mommy will. After the minute, we turn it around, mommy will. After a minute, we pastor it for minutes and then like this. Repeat the same. Put it here. It's so cold and was so cool and so inspiring and so easy. And there is chocolate. We need chocolate. Look at this. It's going to... Oh, I will put this. Why you? Do this with the help of mommy. Do this with help of mommy. I like mommy so. Extra draw. Chocolate lava sandwich is ready. Now let's put Oreo. It will make me tasty. Let's put Oreo on it. And then it will be tasty. Not yummy. Like X model box. Look at this. I'll show you something. Look. Like this. Look at this. Yum. Look. It is so yummy. I like that one. And we can fix it. You also try it at home and we will go in the Oreo. You also made it Oreo. I love you. Bye. See you next time with a new recipe again in the barn.